Hello, welcome back to the channel. Here we share car audio stories, we attend car shows and competitions, and we also speak to enthusiasts about their journey and listen to their car audio story. Today we will attend a car audio meetup in Brighton. This was organised and arranged by Peter from Pssound. So stay tuned, enjoy the content, please share this video and also look at our previous videos, and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye. This car really needs no introduction. It's Pssound's demo car, which is Mercedes S-Class. As you can see, it has micro precision amps in the rear, a 15-inch one audio sub, as well as a Brex DSP. Moving around to the front of the car, as you can see, this car has a full OEM install, so you really can't see much. Everything is built into OEM locations. This is Matt's Astra VXR, which is heavily modified, not just audio but also cosmetics as well as engine. It has a full SQ system as well as an SQL system using Brex, Helix, B2, not to mention other brands also. Matt was also UK skill champion, and he also took this car to Europe and competed at the Euro EMA finals. Focusing on the SQ side of this install, we have Brex mid-bass, which are mounted in the kicks, and up on the pillars we also have Brex mid-range and also Brex tweeters. Also uses a FIO, which you can see on the dash, which is used to control the music going into the system through the DSP, and we can also see we have a Helix conductor neatly mounted on the roof panel. Here we can also see on the passenger side, Matt has a front sub, which is also a Brex, and also you can see the mid-bass and the rest of the SQL system. At the front here, you can see the engine mods that have been done, cosmetic, and also to increase power. Another top car we have here with Paul's GR Yaris. As you can see, it has raised alloys on it, and also he has an Venturi intake in the engine bay. Looking at the back of the car, you can see we have 3 audio wave amplifiers which power the system. We have micro precision speakers up front. And up front, supplying the music, we have a Une, which is a digital audio player which connects to the system to deliver high quality hi-fi sound. Here we have a Golf GTI by James. He's got a JL13W7 in the boot, and also he has Helix amps and DSP. And up front, as you can see, he's quite a very good condition. He's had this car 22 years, and unfortunately it is being sold to make way for another car which will also have a full audio system in it. And up front you can see that we have Brax speakers in the pillars, as well as tweeters in the cell panel of the doors, and we have also Brax mid bass, which is in full custom door builds, which was built by Pssound. Now this has to be one of my favorite cars of the meet. Being a Mini for obvious reasons, I have a liking for Minis, but as you can see we have an amp and DSP which is built into the passenger footwell, lit up with perspex and with LED lighting. You will also see that we have pillar builds, full Morel install here, Morel mids and tweets in the pillars. And what you don't see is there's also Morel mid-bass speakers which are installed in the factory locations under the seats. And finally, at the rear of the car in the boot, we have a Morel sub which is in a sealed box. Next we have Adam's BMW 540i. Previously Adam had a 3 Series which he competed in MI, he sold that, and now he's got the 5 Series which he's... Up front we have the Pssound AMT tweeters. We also have Morel Nano mid-range on the dash, and we have the Helix conductor controller in the center console. Race duty at the front, we have SB acoustics. Mid-bass is in the factory locations under the seats, and in the rear we have Helix P1. We also have a Helix DSP, and underneath the sub there are 2 Zapco AP amplifiers, and we have a JL 12-inch sub in the boot. Now here we have one very special car. This is Mark's Skoda Superb. As you see in the boot we have DLS amps. There's a one audio 18-inch sub mounting in IB, that's infinite baffle, and up front we also have a Morel front sub. We have AMT super tweeters, we have Accuton mids on the dash and tweeters in the pillars. This car is truly amazing. Mark uses a FiO to control the music, which produces high quality sounds using Tidal or the inbuilt music storage. Now this This is a very special car. Personally, I've been waiting a long time to see this car in its final finished state. Big respect to Jason and Pssound for this build. Up front we have the Pssound AMTs. We have the front sub, which is a Morel. We have Brax mid bass in custom enclosures in the front. In the back you can see we have two 15 Acoustic Elegance 15-inch subs, which are mounted IB, again mounted free air. We also have a Brax DSP, and we have also in the back you can see we have multiple C4 amps. Last car of the day we have here is Mark's BMW 3 Series. As you can see here, he has Helix amps in the boot, as well as a Helix DSP, Dayton audio subwoofer, which is in a sealed enclosure. As you can see at the rear, Mark has also fitted rear fill speakers, small widebands by Dayton, and at the front we also have a Dayton front subwoofer, Dayton mid bass, and we also have Dayton mids and tweeters on the dash. Once again, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.